Hello, I'm Proclamation. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your privacy and settings for like using your camera and microphone if it's grayed out. I was going through my laptop and hooking up a USB microphone and found out I couldn't use it because when I went in the microphone, nothing was set up. This here was off and it was grayed out. I couldn't change anything. And the same was for camera. I couldn't use camera. So I have a laptop where I can't use the camera on the laptop, can't use the microphone with it. Say if I want to do a recording in my car for YouTube, forget it. Wasn't going to happen. So after much research, I found the answer on a Windows 11 forum, and it is where you have to delete some registry keys to get this going. So I'm going to put in the description of all these different keys. You got to do them one at a time from the command prompt. Now I get WinArrowTweaker installed, so I have extra menus that I can use. I'm not really sure how you're going to run the command prompt as administrator. For me, all I have to do is type in CMD, which that's for your command prompt. It's right there. But see, I can right click and go run as administrator. And I'm pretty sure that WinArrowTweaker is what allowed me to do this, because you can go through it and come up with all sorts of different things that you can put into a menu, but you have to run it as an administrator. And then you copy this and put this in one at a time. Now, you might get an error where it says it can't find the key. Move on. You might get an error where it says deleted part of it. Doesn't matter. Move on. And then once you're done with this all the way to the end, you just restart your computer, and on my laptop it's all working. I got access for the microphone and for the camera. And I wanted to put this out quickly because as I was doing researching, people, reading what they had to say, they weren't getting it working and stuff. Why isn't this working? This one guy bought his mom, I don't know if it was a laptop or a desktop, but he brought her a computer. She's 60 years old. She's getting it set up. She needs the camera and the microphone to work. And he's on Microsoft Learn. And he tried everything they did. And they basically just said, update must have done something. The only thing you can do is reformat the drive and stuff. And the last comment they made was, maybe she should go back to Apple. Because I guess she was on the Apple operating system, and then she switched to Windows. Can you believe that? I think it was dated like 2020 or 2022. And I thought, really? Your only answer is either, and it always seems to be with Microsoft, the answer is reformat your drive and start over, which that's ridiculous. Because eventually you got it all set up with your different apps, and they have to go back and redo it all over again. Makes absolutely no sense. And it's basically laziness on the technicians or these people on the website. They're just like customer service. They're reading a script to you. Well, so sorry, you're gonna have to format. But then to turn around and say, maybe you should go back to our competitor. Yeah, fascinating. And this guy was just like really stressed out trying to help his mom, and he's just absolutely frustrated with Windows 11. I agree. Windows 11 has potential if you put it through NT Lite and have the time and months probably, of tearing things out. Windows 11 is just a damn nightmare. I have a feeling that the next version of Windows, which will be Windows 12, which they might be ready to get out. Maybe it'll be 13. Microsoft's going to boast that it was all made by AI. It's coming. Here's the new version of Windows, and it was created by AI itself. No, thank you. I'll pass. Well, that's my video. Have a good day and a good night, and hope all is going well with you, and I'll see you in the next video.